I got this printer from Amazon summer sale. I had ordered it yesterday in the night around 7:30, and today morning I got it. So it was a super fast delivery. So it's affordable printer for your mobile devices. So that's DeskJet 2622. It's a wireless printer, print, scan and copy. So they have marked something over here as wireless as star. So I need to know what it is. So let me check its original price. So here you can see what is the original price. So it's 5373, and I got this for around 3200 after all the discount on the SBI card and all. So let us open this and just check out what all do we get in the box. Let's start unboxing. This is a wonderful knife, is it? So let's see what all we get in the box. So there's a HP manual. So this is HP manual how to set up in the mobile as well as in your Wi-Fi. This is the instruction sheet. So right now we'll just keep it aside. So these two are the cartilages. One might be the black, yeah, I think so, made in Malaysia. So this is another cartilage. So oh yeah, this is a tricolor cartilage, and this is black cartilage. These are the two cartilages what you get in the box. This is the power cable which you get, which you need to fix and what is this? So this is a USB cable, so which will be connected to your printer. So let's see what all. So this is the printer what we have inside. So let me get it out of the box. So what I got is, this is the HP installation CD and a few booklets inside this. We can check this later. First we will remove the printer out of the box. Oh yeah, so now I have got it out. Let me remove the thermocol and keep it down. There is nice packing given by HP. It's completely plastic wrapped. So we need to remove this. So these are the buttons. So let me take it out. Hope so this wireless printer is of good quality. So this is how you take. This is a paper tray where we get the copies. This is the scan area, and I guess this is the paper insert area. So from here the paper goes inside. So as of now, this is how the printer looks like. Let me show you 360 degrees of this printer. So here you see HP DeskJet 2622 print, scan and copy. So let us see and what all we have. So here is some instruction. HP order cartilage. So we do get a cartilage. We can subscribe it to HP also. So this is the back of the HP, and if you want to see the bottom, so this is how it looks set down. So this is the unboxing of HP Inkjet DeskJet 2622. If you want to see the working, so stick around and check the part 2 of the video. Till now, see you soon and get back to you again. Please subscribe the channel and hit a like button and share this video to your friends, and order it through Amazon summer sale. You will get a good discount, and you get an additional 10% discount if you have a SBI credit card or debit card. So go for it. It's a good deal, and let me review this product after a couple of uses. Bye bye, take care, have a great day.